Metal fabrication is everywhere. It's in bridges, breweries, aircraft, and even your kitchen. But despite its importance, myths and misconceptions still shape how people think about metals. Today, we'll bust some common myths, share practical maintenance tips, and help you choose the right metal for your next project. First myth: welding always weakens metal. Not true. With the right procedures and skilled welders, joints can be just as strong or stronger than the base material. Second myth: stainless steel can't rust. In reality, in salty or harsh environments, even stainless steel can corrode. Great selection and good design make all the difference. And third myth: aluminum is too weak for structural use. In fact, aluminum's strength-to-weight ratio is outstanding. That's why aerospace, automotive, and modern architecture rely on it daily. Even the best materials need care. To extend service life, design out corrosion traps. Use the right protective coatings, like galvanizing or duplex systems. Schedule regular inspections for rust, pitting, or wear. And clean smart. No harsh chlorides on stainless. No abrasives on galvanized coatings. Metal fabrication isn't just about strength. It's about choosing wisely, maintaining properly, and understanding the facts. With the right approach, your structures can last decades. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more expert tips.